So I'm about to do my nails because, let's face it, they look pretty rough. But I want to take you along the journey for me trying this. This was gifted to me from the brand, but as always, I will give my honest opinion. So in the packaging, you're gonna get this cordless nail drill, and you're gonna hold on to press it. So we're gonna start, and it's already going super quiet. I love that you can use this just like a pen because that's how we use it. But have the percentage there. It also has, you can forward and back, so you can change the direction. And then you can also change the intensity. And it's so clearly defined in the side. But let's see what else you get. You get all these different bits and this super handy explanation. So you're going to get all of these different barrels and bits. So I'm using the cuticle one because my cuticles need some extra help. But then you're going to get this extra brush to really dust anything off and a bunch of extra filing things. Also the charger, and this is right where you can put this right on top, and this will guard from any like flying bits. So let's try this out. So here are my nails. Let me zoom you in. Please do not judge my nails, but we're just going to turn it on. Then we're going to use this just like a pen. And so kindly, let me go the other direction. Really clean up my cuticles. So I love too that this is so quiet that honestly you probably do this in the office and no one would even notice. They would just think you're using like a little fan. But especially someone who has like really rough cuticles, that this is like a godsend because of how easy it is to clean up, especially like these bits. I get some harder bits in the cuticles, so it's really nice to be able to kind of clean it all up and try to actually have nice nails without going to the nail salon, just because as a mom of two, I'm not about going to the nail salon every week. I just don't have time, and honestly I prefer to do all this stuff at home. And honestly this is so relaxing, and I probably could sit here all day. So if you're like me and you want to do this stuff at home and use all these different bits, because you can file your nails, you can kind of trim them, you can buff them, you can do all sorts of things. So even callus removing. So if you're like me, you need this.